Good morning, children. Welcome back to the online art class. Hope you all enjoyed doing all the previous pages of your drawing book which we have done till now. Today we are going to do the next page of your Grafalco art book, that is page number 8. As you can see, a peacock is given on this page which is made using simple wax coloring technique. Now the specialty of this drawing is that you have to draw any design using light colored wax color, okay, and then after that you have to cover your drawing with poster color. Now you can see page number 9. Now it is written on page number 9 that draw any picture using a light colored wax crayon. Give your picture a dab of any dark poster color with a big brush. Isn't the effect of this wax coloring technique lovely? Use only wax crayons, not oil pastels, because poster color will not stick to the drawing done with oil pastel. So children, you have to make the drawing only using wax color, or you can use plastic crayons also. So first we will draw the peacock, then we will cover it with poster color. Okay, so let's start. We will start from the face of the peacock. First you have to draw the circle and make it dark so that poster color will not cover it. Otherwise, if you make it light, then the poster color will cover it. Make a beak now. Eye. You can see from your book and draw easily. It is a very easy peacock. If you can't draw directly with color, you can also use pencil first, then you can color it with crayon. Okay, then make the neck, then the body of the peacock like this, then inside the body you will make feathers like this. Okay, then we will make the tail of the peacock like this. Then we'll make two legs like this, one this side and one this side as it is given in your book. They have given a very easy peacock which everybody can draw. Now here you will make circles and design in its tail like this. Like this you will go on drawing in the whole tail. After making these feathers, you will draw trees at the back which are given in your book like this. Make cloud here first, then make 3-4 trees. You can make small circles inside the trees as given in your book. This side also you can draw one more tree. After this, draw some birds in between, one more tree this side. Okay, now down you all will draw one line like this, and then you have to make flowers and leaves. You can make any cartoon character also. You can draw anything in this. It is not compulsory to draw this peacock. You can draw any design of your choice. After this you will make little grass here. Now you can see the peacock is ready as is given in your books at the back. You can see the trees and peacock like this. In the same way we have also drawn the peacock and the trees and grass, everything. Now we will color it using the big thick brush and blue poster color. Now we'll start from one corner like this.